What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Tesla Model 3 that I'm wrapping in the APAFilms Gloss Rainstorm Grey. It's a Nardo gray, exact color match to the Audi Nardo gray. The Porsche that I did was wrapped in the same color, Rainstorm Grey. I love this color, but then I also hate it. I'm gonna talk about it in a second. But so far, we're just gonna get this front end finished. I already removed the front bumper, gonna remove the lights. This side already removed the side cameras on the fender because I like the wrap to get in there flush. There you guys have it, all complete, all cleaned up. And let me go around real quick, you guys, and see this color in the sunlight. It looks really nice. This is Nardo gray. In APAFilms terminology, it's called Rainstorm Gray, Gloss Rainstorm Gray, but this is an exact color match to Audi's Nardo gray color that everybody seems to be copying now. So that's what the sales guy at Evolve told me, that this is the exact color match. And so therefore we went with it, but I love the color a lot. It looks really settled, really nice. Now to talk about this brand, APAFilms, there's one thing that I gotta point out if you are gonna be going with them. They make really nice glossy colors. Just one problem I got with them. I don't know why, but I worked with the Gloss Sparkle Black, Gloss Sparkle White, the Rainstorm Gray. I also personally went with the carbon fiber, the racing carbon fiber, and also the super candy fire red. So I know what I'm about to say isn't my problem. I know that it's not the way I install the vinyl, that it is indeed the material that I work with. And for some reason, the one problem that I'm having with this brand is the air release. It's not quite there just yet. So whenever you buy a vinyl from this company, Evolve, they give you a little brochure. Within the brochure, it shows you key features. One of the key features they claim is the air release. And that's where I gotta stop Evolve on, because I don't think the vinyl has good air release. I say good for a reason, because in some cases it's there, in some cases, well, most of the cases it's not there. Like, it's really weird. And some of the areas air release will go away, and I mean like about 3% of the whole car. Whenever you try to rub out the bubbles, it will go away. And then some areas, well, good luck, it's not gonna go away. It's almost like working with vivid vinyl. So here's a little good example. From the car sitting in the sunlight, you guys can see a lot of things start popping up. All I gotta do now before I pop it is, well, rub it out, right? Because it says one of the key features is the air release. Well, look at this. I'm rubbing it out, it's not working. So what I gotta do is the unnecessary, like as if I'm working with Vivid. And this brand, they say, well, they claim is from Italy. So I gotta pop a bubble, then heat it up, and then all the air goes away, and I could just, it's flush, you don't see nothing. So I gotta go through that on the whole car. I did this on a Porsche, and it was just too excessive, just bubble after bubble after bubble. I just said, forget it, redid the whole rear bumper. So I just heated it up, and you don't see nothing. So I gotta do this to the whole car when I'm working with this brand, because I've had this happen with my personal car. The carbon fiber that I got going on, the rear quarter panel right there, I've had that happen so many times. The A-pillars that I got going on, that's also wrapped by the racing carbon fiber black by APAFilms. You know, I heated treated the whole freaking A-pillar and then had to sit in the sunlight, and then a shit ton of bubbles popped out, so I had to redo it. So that's the thing with this brand. So if you guys are going to be going with this brand and think that this brand has the air release, one of the key features that they claim, well, you're going to be disappointed real quick. All right, got to work on this Range Rover real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about when it comes to the air release. So this is 3M28, and this would be a good example to show you a vinyl that actually has the air release. So the Tesla that I did, I don't know, but the bubbles don't go away. Here's a good example of what I want to see in a vinyl that is ultra jet, which is a fancy word for saying easy repositionable. Avery Dennison just says easy repositionable. They don't throw these fancy words. I don't know what 3M2080 says, but I know most of the vinyls provided by 3M Avery, that's all easy repositionable, which is why it's my top 2 best vinyls out there. Let me show you guys air release. Right here, you see the bubbles, you might see it There you guys go. This is sateen black. Look at this. I wish I could see this. I wish I could see this on the vinyl that I was working with on the Tesla. Look at this. Look at this. Just apply some pressure, it's gone. Like nothing ever happened. But anyways, the Tesla's getting picked up. I'm gonna be doing the reaction video. I want to see what the owner's gonna say. Hopefully he doesn't bring it back with a bunch of bubbles on the rear bumper, because the Porsche came back and it wasn't my fault. I never had a car come back with bubbles. Oh, by the way, look at this. You guys might be able to see it right there. It's kind of hard to see for the lighting. Maybe if I heat it up, you guys will be able to see some of the bubbles come out. There you go. See that? I just heated it up. This one, I did not heat up. This one, I heat up. Look, it's still gonna go away. Look. Look at this, bruh. Come on now, come on now. APAFilms, what are you doing? Don't say air release when you don't got it. As good as 3M 2080 or Avery Dennison. Even in Ozotech is better. Like, I don't want to compare, but you guys are throwing these fancy words that you guys would not stand by. There we go. I had a buddy, he was trying to see how I was gonna get this Tesla done. Because probably I'm going to be doing another one of these Model 3s here really soon. But yeah, it looks really nice. I took it out in the sunlight already, did the whole thing. Yeah, no, it's much different. It's really nice in the sunlight. Yeah, no, it looks and forgot to show like the way I went inside also. Because this is a white color, it's really hard to work with. Right. So you really got to get everything done. That's one thing I forgot to mention. Yeah, like the little door jams. Right. And right here. You have to get in there really deep. Right. Because when you close the door, the thing people don't know is that you can still see some of the color, like the original car color. Yeah. So yeah, overall it looks really nice. Looks so nice. I don't know why, but cars like Tesla really match with satin black or any color like this, Nardo gray. I don't know why, but it just goes hard. Look at this. I love this color. So, other than that, you guys, stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.